Welcome to ProvExam. Today, we're going to show you a mental math secret that is seriously going to change the way you look at numbers.
Okay, so here's a challenge for you right off the bat. 97 squared. How long would that take you? No calculators, no pencils. Just think about it for a second. Got an answer in your head?
Yeah, for most of us, this is where you'd reach for a pen and paper, or maybe pull out your phone. It feels a little clunky, it takes time, and there's always that chance you'll make a tiny mistake somewhere.
But what if I told you there's a way to get the exact answer just in your head in less time than it takes to even find a calculator app? That's the power of what we're about to dive into.
The secret? Well, it's this amazing ancient technique from Vedic mathematics called the Yavadunam Sutra. Now I know, it sounds pretty complex, but it is one of the most elegant and, honestly, simple shortcuts you will ever learn.
The name itself actually gives us a huge clue. Yavadunam basically translates to whatever the extent of its deficiency. All that means is we're not going to focus on the number itself, but on how far away it is from a nice, round number.
So here's the big idea, right? This trick works best for numbers that are really close to a base, like 100. We just have to find that deficiency, how much it's lacking to get to 100. And once we have that, one big, annoying multiplication problem suddenly turns into two super tiny, easy calculations.
All right, so how do we actually do it? I'm going to walk you through a simple 5-step process to knock out 97 squared. Here we go.
And that's the entire recipe. Find the base, find the deficiency, subtract, square, and join. Let's tackle them one by one. It's going to be quick.
First up, the base. Since 97 is super close to 100, we're going to use 100. Easy enough.
Next, let's find that deficiency. How far is 97 from our base of 100? Well, it's just 100 minus 97, which is 3. This little number 3 is the key to everything. Remember it.
Okay, our final answer is going to come in two parts. So let's figure out that first part right now.
To get the first half of our answer, you just take the original number, 97, and subtract the deficiency we just found, which was 3. Well, that gives us 94. Boom, part 1 is done.
See how easy that was? Now for the second and final piece of this puzzle.
For this part, we go back to our magic number, that deficiency of 3, and we simply square it. 3 times 3 is 9. But wait, here's the crucial bit. Because our base, 100, has 2 zeros, this part of our answer must have 2 digits. So we don't just write 9, we write 09. This is a super important detail.
So we've done all the little calculations, that was the hard part, and let's be honest, it wasn't hard at all. Now it's time for that magic aha moment, where we put it all together.
And now for the final step, which is maybe the easiest one of all. We take our first part, 94, and our second part, 09, and we literally just stick them together. No adding, no carrying over, just place them side by side.
And there it is, 9,409. That's the square of 97, calculated in just a few seconds, without ever picking up a pencil. Go ahead, check it on a calculator if you don't believe me. It's exactly right.
And this is way more than just a cool party trick. I mean, if you're preparing for competitive exams or just want to be quicker with numbers in your daily life, this is an absolute game changer to have in your mental toolkit.
Here's the main thing to remember. This trick gets ridiculously easy the closer your number is to the base. Squaring 99 is even faster than 97. And squaring something like 998? It's a total breeze once you know this method. The smaller that deficiency is, the simpler the math.
So let's do a super quick recap of the powerful yet really simple technique we've just unlocked.
To recap the Yavadunam method, you identify a base, find the deficiency, and then you get two parts. The first part is your number minus the deficiency. The second part is the deficiency squared. Just join those two parts together, and you have your answer. Simple as that.
If you found this useful and you want more tools to sharpen your mind for competitive exams, you should definitely register at previshexam.com. You can get access to free government exam mock tests and some really amazing AI-powered learning tools. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more explainers just like this one.
So, I'll leave you with a challenge. What's 96 squared? How about 99? Use the method we just learned and see how fast you get the answer. Go ahead and drop what numbers you tried in the comments below. Thanks for watching.